What's up guys?
This is YA and today we're gonna learn how to edit this beautiful world beneath photo manipulation in Photoshop.
Oh my god! Wow!
So this photo manipulation went viral last year, I guess, and when I searched for tutorials regarding this effect, there were none or very few tutorials. So I thought, why not create one for ourselves? So
There we are.
okay, so basically this photo manipulation is pretty simple. It looks complex, but it is simple. So let's start. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna make a duplicate of this background layer. Cool. I'm gonna rename it to selection. Okay, we're gonna grab the pen tool and just make the selection of the area where we want the second image to be. So I'm gonna just make a selection. I'm doing this pretty quickly, but you can take your time. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna just make a rough selection like so. Cool. Okay, so join it and click on selection and feather radius to 3 pixels. Cool. Go ahead and okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the selection mask icon. So this creates a selection of the area, but we don't want this area. We want the image and this area to be subtracted from it. So we're gonna press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Cool. Now we're gonna place the second picture that we want to appear here. I'm gonna select, say, this picture right there, and we're gonna make it small. I'm gonna place it, and just after that I'm gonna make it small like so, and I'm gonna just place it like that. That is looking good. Let me just adjust it. Okay, cool. So with this we have completed our tutorial. Okay, so I'm just adjusting it so that I get the maximum view of the city. Okay, then select the mask and select the brush tool at opacity 100% and flow 100%. Choose the color black, and we're gonna just soften the edges of the selection like so. Again, you can take your time. I'm just making a rough selection of the edges for this tutorial. Okay, like so. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a, let's say before and after. Okay, I'm gonna make a curves adjustment layer, and yeah, curves adjustment layer. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it down and just give it a nice contrast like so. Okay, cool. I'm gonna press Ctrl+I to invert the mask, and just the brush tool and brush in the areas where I want the effect like so, just like that. Okay, this gives a nice depth to the image. Okay, that is looking good. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a stamp visible layer. I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift Alt and I and go to camera filter. I'm gonna increase the clarity. This gives a nice punch to the image. Okay, around 70. Increase the blacks and increase the shadows, decrease the highlights like so, increase the contrast, no, decrease it and just increase the okay, that's looking good. Increase the vibrance and hit in OK. Okay, so yep, so now I'm gonna create a curves adjustment layer, and I'm gonna just select this drag tool and just bring this down and bring this up with a little S curve. I'm gonna create a gradient fill and choose the orange and violet preset and make it radial, reverse it, and just I'm gonna place this yellow spot above there and change the blending mode to screen. Cool. Decrease the fill amount like so. Okay, just adjust it. Yep, that's looking good. Gonna create another curves adjustment layer and give it a nice S tone like so, a little less, and just decrease the opacity. Cool. Create a photo filter effect and I'm gonna increase the density like that. Yep. Create another photo filter effect. I'm gonna choose a blue preset, cool filter. Okay, I'm gonna decrease the fill and bring it down and decrease the opacity. Cool. Okay, so let me just see the original example. Okay. This is before, this is the after. Looks pretty good. I'm just checking the original image. Okay, I have a little bit of more contrast in there. Okay, create another curves adjustment layer and just bring it down like so, and a little of the highlights. Okay, that is looking great. Okay, that is matching the, in the original example I just made the buildings bigger by just changing the size of the image. That's up to you. Okay, so this was it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks.